Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome to Wednesday's Take and Make Crafts for Kids with the Rapid City Public Library. Today we're going to be making some cool origami bookmarks in the shape of frog heads, something to mark the place in your book so that we don't fold down the pages of our books because books don't like when we bend their pages like that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have in our Take and Make kits today and get started. In your Take and Make kit, you should have an instruction booklet, origami paper, a piece of red construction paper, your eyes template, and 3 glue dots. Let's get started. First, we're going to fold our green square of paper diagonally both ways. So I'm going to turn it like this and bring the top point to the bottom. And unfold. And then I'm going to take the left point and bring it to the right for another crease. Next, we're going to not unfold that one, but keep our triangle like this. And the top layer of our triangle, see how we have 2 layers? We're going to grab the top one and bring it down to the middle of the bottom part of the triangle and fold. Next, we're going to take the left corner of the triangle and fold it to this center point. So we want to just fold just like that. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Take the right point and fold it into the center. Now we're going to unfold both of these. Now we're going to take our left corner and we're going to fold it up to the top corner. So just like this. And give it a good fold. And same thing with our right corner. We're going to take the right corner and fold it up to the top point. Now grab one of the flaps and we're going to tuck it in underneath, just like that. And we'll do the same thing with the other flap. We'll just tuck the flap into that pocket. Now we have our bookmark. Let's go ahead and decorate it. Let's take our eyes template and a pair of scissors, and we're going to cut out those eyes. Now we can take one glue dot. If I can open this up, and we'll stick it onto the back of the eye. I've got my glue dot on there, and I'm going to attach my glue dot to the back of my frog bookmark. You want to make sure that the flap pocket is in the front. Now let's attach the other eye. Great. Now we can draw on eyeballs. And we can draw 2 little slits for the nose as well. Let's go ahead and add our frog's tongue. So you can take the red piece of construction paper and cut out a long tongue. Just like that. Now we'll take the last glue dot stick it to the tongue. And then we'll take that sticky side and glue it to the top part of the inner flap. Just like that. Now you can curl the tongue a little bit if you want to make it a frog, or to make that frog tongue curly. And there we have our frog bookmarks, our frog corner bookmarks. And this slips right onto the edge of a page just like that. So it'll stay nice and snug for you and hold your spot in your book. All right, everyone, thanks for joining me today as we made our frog bookmarks. I'm marking my page in this book with it right now. It's so nice, it just slips right off and slips right on. Did you know, by the way, that there are 13 species of frogs and toads in South Dakota? Have you ever seen any of them? I wonder where a good place to see them would be. Maybe the lakes and the rivers? I'll have to go frog hunting sometime. All right, everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with all of our latest crafts, and tune in next week for our next Take and Make craft for kids. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.